Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add custom fields to Shopify products. So this is one of the most demanding requirement by Shopify clients, and I've been offering services since 2018, and I've implemented these custom fields for a lot of clients. So what I do in the past, I used to go to line item properties and take the code from here and then paste it in the Shopify theme code. And then if a client says to that I want to adjust the price, for example, if someone click on the checkbox, $10 should be added to the product price. Obviously I had to custom code, and obviously all this process was expensive. Okay, so now if you just search this one custom fields keyword on YouTube, you will see a lot of tutorials. They suggest that you can do it without using any app. I also appreciate that thing, but there are some limitations, and I have tested all the stuff. What are the limitations? The solutions that you see on the YouTube and Google, they don't work for the paid themes. They are mostly made for the free themes. Okay, there is number one limitation. And the second limitation is that if you ask those people in the comments that I want to adjust the pricing of the variant, they say that you have to use an app in that case, or you can hire me for additional code. If you want to hire that developer, obviously you have to pay a lot for that custom option, and obviously there are again a lot of limitations. So the best solution for this issue is to use an app, and I have tested several apps for this one. So I have came across this app which works really fine, and the best thing is that they come up with a lot of templates so that you can have an idea which template works better for my niche and for my store. So these apps don't have the limitations. They work for every theme, every Shopify theme. Also they have the option for conditional logic, and thirdly they have very easy integration of how you can adjust the price for each checkbox or like each variant. So this is the app. As you can see, this is the name of the app is variant option product option. I will leave the link in the description. And the best thing about this app is they have all the options, all the templates that you can use, and you can create the exact template for your own store. Like if you see the option, like if I click on example and all options, so no, I want to use like I want to see what options they provide. If you see the option Simpsons portrait, this is very common ish. Show example, personalized necklace for pet owners, personalized dog harness. If you have store like this, you can use something like if you have a store for the prescription contacts, prescription glasses. This is the thing that I will implement in this tutorial, because this is a tougher thing to implement. Again, if you have a computer related store or text store, obviously you have to need a lot of options. If you have this one, you can create all the options in this app, and if you have option like pick and mix, multi select, you have the template created. So this is something I really like about this app, that you have an idea what fields exactly I do need to create for my niche, because sometimes you're confused what field does my client actually need. So if you see all the options, so if we go to the prescription template, as you can see, we have the colors, and they are the swatches, and then we have the drop down. If you select the single vision, the options would be changed. The bifocals, obviously, but, the option would be different. If you see this, they will change automatically. Okay, if you see in the prescription for each like type, I just realized that the options are not changed based on this type, because this type is just static. Okay, let's go to the description prescription. If you as you can see, you have a grid. This is the x axis and this is the y axis. You can make the exact grid in this app. Like you have a lot of values, you have like values like this. If you have a glasses store, you can do all these options. So these are like complex options. If you just try to custom code, it will take a lot of time, and obviously you have to hire a coder for that. If you click on PD and you just choose a number, and then if you click on this checkbox, there is a conditional formatting. Second PD, you can select this one. You can select all the options from here, and you can make this complex grid very easily through this app. As you can see, okay, they have the instruction. I will create these options using the instruction below. Okay, so if you have a computer store, or you can say you have a text store, as you can see, you have the specs option, and then you have this specs option, and then you can you choose the memory, you can choose the storage, you can choose the keyboard language, pre-installed software. If you select this one, it will add the additional price 83,000 rupees PKR to the price. If you select this one, obviously it will add this price. You can only select one. So I'm just showing you the options how you can do in this app. Obviously you have this very common niche, and you can select the height, and then you can select if this is stationary, no additional charges. You can upload the photo, you can select the swatches, all the instruction you can upload here. And if we see this one, pick and mix box, you can pick and mix you have to select like 10 switches, and if you try to select more than 10, obviously it will give you an error. So this is a very you can say lengthy project, but for this app it's a matter of minutes. So if I try to select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11, if I try to do it add to cart, it will say that you have selected additional items, so I have to deselect one. If I click on add to cart, it will automatically take us to the cart. So it means that this function is working really fine. So what implementation I will do in this app, I will try to create this one prescription glasses, and they have the instruction written for these glasses. Okay, so we will try to implement this one, and as you can see they have the instruction for the complex example. This is one of the complex examples for using this app and and for using this functionality. So I will try to implement this function, this app, this example features in my app. So the instructions are already listed. They have also given us pre values for SPH, CYL, and all the values, so that we can create the exact thing. Okay, we'll try to create this app in our store. So what we have to do, we have to click on install app, and it will take us to the Shopify store. I will leave the description of this website and the app in the comments below or in the description of this video. So it has like 1040 1090 rating. Okay, I will try to install this app and show you how easy it is to install this app and create all the stuff that I mentioned in this video. So the purpose of showing all the templates is that you can do all this tedious process very easily by using this app. So if you click on this one, they say you to install this app. You can see this is a welcome page of this app, and first of all we have to integrate this app, how it's actually working. So you have to click on install in this app first of all, and then select a theme, updated copy of Dawn. This is the main theme. Okay, and then I'll click on enable. It will enable this app for me. Okay, so it will take us to the theme customization, and then it has already installed this app for us, and it will take us to the theme customization. From there we have to embed the app, and then click on save. I'll show you the process now. You can see this app is already enabled in the theme customization. So the first step is already done. So what we have to do, all as this is already enabled, and so we will go towards creating the template. So we just click on VO product options again, and then we have to choose a product for which we want to create that options. Like in this plan, I'll show you they have different plans. Like in this plan we can only create one for one product. Okay, this is a free plan. So for in the free plan you can work only on one product, and we have unlimited product options, all other stuff. For the basic plan, obviously if you pay monthly, this is only $10 per month, very cheaper than hiring a developer, or you can say then implementing it yourself, because it will take a lot of time. This app is really cheap in terms of the functionality that it is providing, and it comes with a 14-day trial. You have the unlimited products. For this tutorial I will stick to the free plan, and then you have the advanced one, which is $20 per month. Okay, so this is, so for this tutorial I'm only sticking to the free plan. Okay, so I will go towards now creating the options in this app. So I click on view product option. I will select my test product for now. Okay, I will not make the things complex to create a new product. I will use my existing product and show you how you can actually add the fields. So you have to select, like it is showing us that you have to select a plan. I was trying to skip the option, but it has shown that we have to select an option. You will not be billed for this charge. Okay, I'm okay with it. So as we can see, we have to come to the home page. You have to click on view product options and you will come to this home page. Then you have to select a product. I have already selected this product. I will delete it for now. This is existing product in our case, and I will click on select delete product setting, and I will select a new product. Try to add the options just to show you how you can actually do it. To choose product, and then I will choose a sample product as product. This is just a t-shirt, but I will implement the glasses functional in it, so it doesn't matter. You I will just, the purpose is just to show you the settings. So this is the test product. As you can see, size, we have some sizes. We will stick with these current Shopify options. I have already created the size, but the thing that is important is we have to create the visual options now. So as you can see, this example, we have a lot of visual options like like image swatches, and then we have the types, and then we have the grid. We will try to create all this stuff step by step. So the first process is to create the image swatches. So let's see if we have the image swatches option in it. So add virtual option, you have to add the virtual option, and then we can see color. This is a color. So this is a color name, the title name is color, and the type we have to select is image swatches. Okay, so I will select the image swatches, and you have the option to add the values for each product. And then obviously let's see, color black and gunmetal. We will try to add two options. Add the color black, and I will have selected the color black, and I will add a file for this color. So this is the black glasses. Okay, and if you want to add a condition, you can add it, but it is required. You have to select a value, and you can also select the multi select, but currently we want to add that's two values. It's not required. Gunmetal, gunmetal. Okay, and then we will choose another file. So gunmetal again. So this is a required one, and we click on OK. We have created the two options. In this example there are three options, but we'll stick towards the two. So in the another variant, we have this type and the sunglasses or single vision. We will add two options. Like if you click on type, and we have the drop down, you can easily create a drop down, and we have the two options like sunglasses and single vision. Sunglasses and comma single vision. We can also add the price add-on, like we will add the if you select sunglasses, you have to pay 500 rupees extra. If you add single price, there will be no price. This is also select, and if you want to pre-select this value, you can also do it, but currently we don't want to stick with it. We have to click on OK, and then let's create another option. This is a tricky one. This is a tricky option. So you this is a grid. How you can create the grid? If you click on prescription, click on add virtual option, prescription. Okay, and this type would be the grid. Okay, so for the grid, what you have to do, you have to make the x-axis. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So how you can do it? Like you can create something like this. If you go to this tutorial, so this is for the x-axis, and this is for the y-axis. Okay, so this is we will leave the title empty for now. These are the x-axis and these are the y-axis. Okay, this is the how the grid is created. So they have already listed the values for it, and sph, cyl, and for axis, and then for add. So step by step we will create the values. I will insert the values for it. Let me pause the video and insert all the values. You just have to copy paste the values. So For the OD and OS, I will insert the same values, and then if I go to CYL, I will insert these values. So let me add the values. So as you can see, I have added the values in the meantime, and this is also required, no condition required for it, and we'll click on OK. So we have already created this complex option. Obviously this was the most difficult one. And PD, we can add the options. If you want to select this option PD, you can also, they have the pre-valued. Let me create this option for you. This is also a drop down, so I will pause this video and create this option, because I have already told the drop down method. So we have created till this option. So the most important process is now where you have to create the condition, like this condition. If you select on two PD numbers, it will display the drop down menu. So what you have to do, you have to just click on add virtual option and two PD numbers. Okay, two PD numbers, and you have to click on checkboxes, and you have to only insert one value. Okay, this is a required one. Also this is already required. So if you click on yes, it will add 1,000 rupees. So this is the condition. If you click on checkbox, it will add 1,000 rupees. But there is a tricky thing. If you click on yes, only then the other option will be displayed. So what we can do, second PD option. Okay, and this is the type drop down. And if you click on required, and this is a required one, but this is a conditional one. So if you click on condition, it will give you the option very easy. You have to select the option two PD numbers. If yes is selected, only then display this option. So this is the condition. For the condition, you have to select the previous value. So we have selected the value obviously, and click on OK. And as you can see, we have created all the options for now. If you want to see some other options, like you can also create instructions, menu instructions. Great, I have already told you checkboxes, radio button work the same way. If you want to uh, test the functionality of file upload, like if you click on custom description, custom prescription, so you give them the option to upload their file, and if they upload their own instruction, obviously they have to pay like 2,000 rupees. But this should be only based on the condition. Like if there should be a checkbox before, if you click on file upload, obviously it should be there. Okay, we can create some option like this. I have an idea. So if we click on type, there should be a value, sunglasses single vision, and then the value should be like custom upload. Okay, and each option should be 1,000 rupees. Okay, and then we have to just edit this option, because I made a mistake here, custom prescription. So it will be like this. We don't have to add the additional price, because we already have added the option for it. So the condition would be select option if the color is, if the color is, sorry, no, if the condition, if the type is custom upload, then we have to then only this option should be displayed. So okay, so let's, we have already uploaded almost all the options, excluding the custom instructions, because this is a simple one. If you want to add the custom instructions, you can add, but it's not important for now. So I will click on save, and then let's test whether this one is working fine or not. This is the moment we have all been waiting for. It's the most important moment. So this was a lengthy tutorial. Unfortunately, I was trying to make it a shorter one, but to explain all the things, I think the honesty is to explain, to take time and explore all the stuff. So as you can see, all the options are added successfully, and things are working also fine. The condition is working fine. The price is all adding successfully. As you can see, this size is working. This is the custom Shopify uh, variants, and then you can select the color, you can select the gunmetal color, you can select the black color, and then type. If you click on sunglasses, the option is, it adds a 500 price, and if you click on custom upload, only then the custom upload is displayed, otherwise it is not displayed. As you can see, custom upload is not okay. Then we can select the values from here. All the things are working fine. You can adjust the setting in the Shopify If you see, the width is not working fine. So as you can see, all the values are working fine. So PD, we select a value and two PDs. As you can see, 1,000 rupees is already added. So we click on 69, and as you can see, 1,500 additional price is added to this one. And if we click on custom upload, like custom upload, and we try to upload a file, like I try to select this one, and then 2,000 rupees additional is added to the price and add to cart. Let's see if the all the fields data is going perfectly in the cart. Let's check the cart page. Small, as you can see, size small, color black, type custom upload, 1,000 additional rupees, and the prescription is, all the prescription is added successfully. Two PD numbers, yes, 1,000 rupees additionally. And as we can also we can also see the custom file upload that we can download. So I hope the things are clear. This was a little tricky tutorial to explain, but I hope the things are clear, and you will be very confident if you try to implement any type of custom fields for your own Shopify store. And this app already has, this website already has a lot of examples, so you can choose. If you want to choose the custom mug, you can add any option you want. I've already explained you all the stuff how you can do it yourself. So this is how you can do it. And as you can see, these are the color swatches, this is the color swatch, this is the custom file upload, this is the text field, all the stuff. It is very easier for you to implement. I hope the things are clear. And one thing, if you want to see like the clothing, and we can see custom and if you have a store like this one, pick and mix multi select, obviously you have to add the color swatches or something like this and select the multi select option. Okay, and then you will be able to achieve this functionality as well. You have to select the option multi select. So you can add a condition there that you can select only 10 items and not more than that, and not less than that, and you can create the same functionality. So any type of custom complex situation, you can create it using this app. So I hope you will be very confident to do any type of store yourself. You don't need to hire any developer, and it will be easy to implement.